his little outfit. And there's a crazy lady on the train. So that's not very good, is it? He's enjoying his oat biscuit. You like those, don't you? Those are nice, nary oat biscuits.
Get your nails on my face. Go. Go.
And there's this lady acting crazy. And we don't know why, do we? No. Say no. We don't know why. We don't know why. And you show your biscuit. Yay! Okay, this lady, like, she was acting crazy when we were sitting over, waiting for the train. And now she's on the train acting even crazier. She doesn't even know this lady right here, and is accusing her of having nails that are gonna, like, do something to her. She actually accused Papa of being the devil, but I knew not to say anything to her because crazy people are just crazy people. Anyway, we're on our way to therapy.
Papa.
Papa. Papa. Papa. Oops, sorry. Didn't mean to do that. I was trying to go out. Next week you'll be a year old. Do you feel like an old man? Do you feel like an old man?
Hey. You can see you show me like family already. Stop following them. You're like my family already. You. Stop following me. Stop following me.
I'm not following you.
You're like, what the heck? What the heck? What's going on? What's going on?
17 warrants. 17. 17 states. Jump around.
He's telling the man he has 17 warrants and 17 straights.
17 warrants. You better watch it. See, fingerprint it. Don't follow me. Don't. Big bucket.
Crazy people all around, and Papa just happily munches his cracker. Happily munching your cookie. Happily munching.